I'm going to tell you why this gets the JoeteckTips Instant Awesome rating. We'll be right back. Hey guys, this is Joeteck from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook and Twitter. And I have another true wireless product here, my folks, by Sainyer. This product will receive the JoeteckTips Instant Awesome rating, hands down. Let's do a quick unboxing of it. Charging cable and carrying bag, just like the other one. And another set of ear canal rubber grommets, if you want to call it that. And that's it. That's what's in the box. But my friends, this receives the JoeteckTips Instant Awesome rating. For one, it is very similar to the product that I reviewed about a week ago or so. Very similar to this. For one, as soon as you power them on, they go into Bluetooth pairing mode, which is a home run. That, my friends, is key right there. So in other words, you don't have to worry about trying to figure out what buttons to press to pair it. As soon as you power it on, they're automatically in pairing mode. It's really interesting. I'll show close-up shots of this. There are two earbuds. This is a very impressive set of earbuds. You can use either a left one, a right one, or both at the same time. The runtime is a lot longer than the other. Has the same size battery, 45 milliamp hour battery in each of the earpieces. Bass response is unbelievable. I mean, I'm impressed with such a little device. Look how tiny these things are. They're super tiny. And the bass response is incredible. The other cool thing about this whole thing, very similar to its little brother, is that it comes with a battery pack. This is 2100 milliamp. It also offers the ability to charge your cell phone with it as well if you want to, but I would actually just leave this dedicated just for the earbuds. And again, they are magnetic and they snap right into place like so. It's a home run, and this battery pack charges the earbuds. Once you remove them from the battery, they automatically pair with your phone instantaneously. I got both of them now, and they connected to the phone. I find this to be it's really impressive. And what's really cool about it, as soon as you plug them back into the battery, they turn off and it disconnects from the phone. The other cool thing is that they power off, like no audio playing from the phone to the earbuds. Anyway, if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time. Hey guys, if you made it this far, I want to let you guys know that I rolled out a new gaming channel called The Main Gamer, and I throw a little curveball of some comedy and some funny stuff in there while I actually play the game. So I just want you guys to know that that's available. I'll have a link in the description below if you're interested in taking a gander. Take care. Creative Labs iRaw. Plug it in like this. The inside of this is really impressive. 100A in the Prius. The AC adapter, 1 amp charger, and it's big, and it's made out of aluminum. Okay, as you can see, the backup is complete. Like so. And now you can create the RAID array. I mean, for the price difference between the two,